Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about IEC62439-3 and PTP. Today this presentation just give you a summary. In this presentation include three parts. First one is introduce 62439-3 version 1 and IEC62439-3 version 2 and also IEC62439-3 version 3. Give you a summary. The IEC62439-3 edition 1 released February 2010. Its whole name is Industry Communication Networks, High Availability Automation Networks. Part 3, Parallel Redundancy Protocol and High Availability Seamless Redundancy. It's called PRP and HSR. In the version 1.0, mainly include 4 clauses: clause 4 PRP, clause 5 HSR, clause 6 PIPs, and clause 7 MIPs. In the version 1, 1588, which means PTP is not supported. And July 2012, IEC released updated version called version number 2. This name is the same. And in this version includes following major clauses: clause 4 PRP, same as before; clause 5 HSR, same as before as well; clause 6 PIPs; clause 7 MIPs. These 4 clauses, same as before. Newly introduced Annex A, which use IEC61588 and IEC37238 for the IEC62439, which means this is the first version support 1588 in the PRP&HSR network. And Annex B is some media access in the HSR network. In the version number 2, Annex A, here the first time introduced the 1588 over PRP and HSR, and and also include the PTP profile, how to use 1588 in the PRP&HSR network. In this profile, define the network clock accuracy. It's 2.5 microsecond in the maximum size network consisting up to 50 cascaded transparent clock. This is the first profile, PTP profile for the PRP at HSR network. In this profile include the following major part. All network should be all network element is support 1588, and the media converter, the accuracy requirement is 50 nanosecond. Transparent clock accuracy require 50 nanosecond per hop, and boundary clock is not supported. And yeah, in this profile should use multicast PTP messages and also peer-to-peer mechanism. Both one step and two steps clock are allowed. BMC, yeah, is the default. And some package read, single message 1 message per second, and another message 1 packet per second. And also for the Grandmaster capable device, the one priority 1 is 128, priority 2 is 128 as well. But for the sleeve-only device, the priority 1 is 255, priority 2 55 as well. And Grandmaster class clock class is 6 normal, and holdover mode is 7. And also the holdover accuracy would be at least most keep of 5 seconds. This version 2.0. IEC standard release 62439-3 version 3 and March 2016. This is the latest version of this PRP&HSR standard. This is the summary for the content, the clause 4, 5, 6, 7. And same as before, and Annex A, is define clock synchronization over PRP&HSR network. Annex B defined some PTP profile, and Annex C PTP profile for the high availability automation networks. Annex D is precision time protocol PTP, is some guide. And Annex E is management is MIP for the single and singly and doubly attached clocks. This is Annex A because this presentation focuses on the PTP. The other part is not should not mention here. The Annex A is just a summary. If you remember before, it's version 2. The profile just saying use layer 2 peer-to-peer. But the version 3 include 2 profiles. First one L3 E2E, which means layer 3 multicast with end-to-end delay mechanism, and also layer 2 peer-to-peer, which means layer 2 multicast with peer-to-peer mechanism. So this layer 3 end-to-end is the first supported in the version 3. And Annex C, introduce the profile, more detailed. Say layer 3 end-to-end profile, layer 2 peer-to-peer profile, and also the saying the clock, the L23, I3, E2E, and L2 P2P clock can be exist in same network, but can be coupling use boundary clock. Yeah, this is Annex C, and Annex C has detailed defined the how to the profile works. Profile is it's called version 1, profile version 1.0, and profile ID is 0-1 5-4E-00001XY. Here what XY meaning? Yeah, we can use this for PRP network, for HSR network, and for L3E2E, even for L2 P2P. Yeah, this for the clock type. If you remember, the version 2 only support ordinary clock and auto transparent clock, but the version 3 introduced boundary clock as well. So which means not only ordinary clock, which means 3 only, and master couple clock, transparent clock, and boundary clock. Yeah, there is the timing requirement for different clock types. For the in general, this C72 network inaccuracy means the inaccuracy is better than -+1 microsecond up to cross 15 TCs or 3 BCs. Yeah, which means it's maximum cannot, this the inaccuracy cannot be worse than -+1 microsecond if you have a maximum 15 transparent clocks or 3 bounded clocks. Yeah, this Annex C, this is requirement for the grandmaster. Grandmaster is accuracy is better than 250 nanoseconds. When moved to holdover mode, the grandmaster can keep 250 nanoseconds for at least 5 seconds. And when in the grandmaster lock to GNSS time source, the network class is 6. If move to holdover, network class is 7. If the accuracy worse than 250, the clock class should be 52. If the accuracy exceed 1 microsecond, the clock class is 187. If the GNSS signal coming back, the grandmaster move back to lock status, the clock class move back to 6. This requirement for the transparent clock. The transparent clock should be, the accuracy should be better than 50 nanoseconds per hop. For the boundary clock, there is this timing requirement. The inaccuracy should be better than 200 nanoseconds per hop. For the holdover mode, the boundary clock requirement is keep 200 nanoseconds, at least last 5 seconds. Yeah, this is the summary for the 1588 over, in the IEC62439-3. This is summary part. I'm going to release, publish next video very soon. It's 1588 over PRP network in IEC62439-3. This is the next video. So, okay, thank you for watching. Thanks for time. Thanks. Bye bye.